Hello everyone. Today we'll take a look at fascinating manufacturing processes from various fields ranging from ice cream production to working with metal. This is how silicone rubber is created, a material that is inert, stable under extreme conditions and temperatures. Specifically, it is used to make conveyor belts at confectionery factories. Semi-finished products for chewing gum, caramels, and jellies are transported on them. Thanks to the properties of the material, sticky products easily detach from it. It also has a high level of chemical resistance. Here's an unusual system, reminiscent of old weaving machines, which uses braiding to create preforms, or various blanks. The key is in the material. The system works with carbon fiber, which gives the preforms heat resistance, lightness, and high tensile strength. A special manipulator feeds the fiber, which has many settings, including speed and trajectory of the feed. Let's take a look at the hot riveting technology. This option is advantageous for several reasons. Less force is needed to form the closing head, the joint is tighter and stronger, and increased tension in the seam is achieved. During the process, large diameter steel rivets are heated to about 1100 degrees Celsius, and due to the thermal deformation of the rivets, the element is compressed with more force than in cold riveting. It's time to listen to how the process of laser engraving on an eco-leather cigarette case takes place. Here you can see metal cutting on a chip machine. The cutting thickness can be adjusted flexibly, which minimizes production waste. In the video, it is set to 8 mm, and thanks to CNC, excellent repeatability is achieved. Next in line is a CNC machine for aluminum processing. This machine works best with small products, but it can also easily handle acrylic, PVC, wood, and plastic. Depending on the modification, the working area can reach 120 by 240 centimeters, and the machine can weigh up to 900 kilograms. Thanks to such a PVC dispenser, many familiar products are made: luggage tags, photo frames, clothing accessories, toys, and stationery. The system can work with 12 colors and store up to 10 different designs, allowing for quick reconfiguration. The dispensing technology also helps to use material more economically. This machine produces copper radiators by cutting plates of the required size from a metal bar. Thanks to the ability to finely adjust the height and width of the plates, radiators of various configurations are quickly made for different purposes. For example, the gap between the plates can be as small as 0.6 millimeters, and the thickness of one plate about 0.3 millimeters, and that's not the limit. I hope you found it interesting to learn how everyday products are made. Subscribe to the AgroTech channel so you don't miss new episodes about fascinating processes in the world of technology and production. See you next time.